Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of portable printing, with what we believe is the best mobile color printer on the market, the Phomemo M08F Portable Thermal Bluetooth Printer. If you're someone who's always on the go and in need of a reliable printing solution, then look no further. The Phomemo M08F combines portability, convenience, and quality printing all into one sleek package. First off, let's talk about its portability. Weighing in at just 2 pounds and with a thickness of only 1.5 inches, this printer is incredibly compact and easy to carry around. Whether you're traveling for work or leisure, this printer will fit perfectly in your bag or briefcase. Now, onto the printing itself. The Phomemo M08F utilizes thermal printing technology, which means no more dealing with messy ink cartridges or toners. Simply load the thermal paper, connect your device via Bluetooth using the Phomemo app, and you're ready to print high-quality documents, photos, or even web pages directly from your smartphone or laptop. Speaking of quality, the prints produced by the M08F are nothing short of impressive. With superior print clarity and crisp imaging, you can trust that your documents will look professional every time. But wait, there's more. This printer also boasts a fast-charging battery, allowing you to print up to 140 pages on a single charge. Plus, with its strong compatibility, you can print a variety of file types including PDFs, Word documents, and images. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a mobile color printer that delivers on both performance and convenience, the Phomemo M08F is the way to go. Say goodbye to bulky printers and messy ink cartridges, and say hello to hassle-free printing wherever you are. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy printing!